falsy values in Python. So number 0, an empty string, and the non-object, these are all falsy values. Anything that is not falsy is considered truthy. Here we have a string that has or operator. We know that at least one of the arguments should be true. So the evaluation stops as soon as we find an argument that evaluates to true. In this case, when Python interpreter evaluates this expression, it sees that high income is false, so it continues the evaluation, hoping that the next argument will be true. Here, good credit is true, so evaluation stops, and the result of this entire expression will be true. So in Python, logical operators are short circuit. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to chain comparison operators. This is a very powerful technique. All right, here's a little quiz for you. I want you to pause the video and think about this quiz for 10 to 20 seconds. What do you think we'll see on the terminal when we run this program? So pause the video, figure out the answer. When you're ready, come back, continue watching. All right, let's see what happens when we run this program. First, we get this if statement. In this case, we're comparing two different objects for equality. And these objects have different types. We have a number compared with a string. So number 10 and string 10 are not equal. That is why A will not be printed on the terminal. So the control moves the elif part. Here we have two Boolean expressions. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. And they are combined using the logical AND. So if both these expressions are evaluated to true, then this entire expression will be true and we'll send a message to a user. If that message cannot be delivered, perhaps we want to retry 3 times. Now, for simplicity, let's imagine this print statement is equivalent to sending a message. In a real-world program, to send a message to a user, we have to write 5 to 10 lines of code. Now, if you want to retry 3 times, you don't want to repeat all that code. That is ugly. That's when we use a loop. We use loops to create repetition. So here is how it works. We start with for, number, in. We have a built-in function called range. Now, how many times we want to repeat this task? Let's say 3 times. So we call range and pass 3 as an argument. Now, similar to our if statements, we need to terminate this line with a colon, enter, we get indentation. So in this block, we can write all the statements that should be repeated 3 times. Let's do a print.